In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Notebooklm change language. To get started, open Notebooklm in your web browser and go into any notebook. It does not matter which notebook you choose, because the language setting you are about to change controls how Notebooklm generates and formats its responses. Opening a notebook simply ensures you can see the full interface, including the settings you need. Once you are inside a notebook, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You will see a small gear icon. This is the settings menu. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel. If you do not immediately spot it, look along the top bar of the notebook for icons grouped together on the right side. In the settings panel, look for the option labeled Output Language. This setting is specifically for the language Notebooklm uses when it produces summaries, answers, and other generated text. Click Output Language to open the language selection list. Now you will see a list of available languages. Take a moment to scroll if needed, then select your preferred language from the list. Choose the language you want Notebooklm to use for future outputs in this notebook experience. If you work with sources in multiple languages, a helpful tip is to set the output language to the language you want to read and share, since that is the language Notebooklm will prioritize when it writes responses. After you select your language, confirm the change by clicking Save. Saving is important because it applies your selection and prevents the setting from reverting when you close the menu. Once you click Save, you can close the settings panel and continue working in your notebook as usual. From this point forward, when you ask Notebooklm to summarize content, draft text, or respond to prompts, it will generate its output in the language you selected. If you ever need to switch again, you can repeat the same quick process. Open a notebook, go to the gear icon, choose Output Language, select a new language, and save. That covers everything you need to know.